Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon. Polygon is still in this support zone that we talked about, I think yesterday, a couple of days ago. It's defined between 37.4 cents and 41 cents. The idea is that obviously we had a rally, which is only in 3 waves. So I'm naturally favoring the white scenario that allows for further downside overall, because the market hasn't given me any reason to be bullish here, okay? It hasn't. There is no impulse to the upside. There is no break above resistance, nothing. Okay, so yes, I am looking for higher prices in the short term, but that's more just because it's part of an overall corrective rally that I'm labeling white wave B here. Quick introduction again to the structure. So I'm tracking here a complex W, X, Y, X, Z pattern to the downside. It could for sure, it could be something different, but that is what makes most sense to me in this decline. Could also be a diagonal pattern to the downside possibly, which would be even more bearish. But for now, that doesn't matter. We have to focus on a practical wave count that works now, that gives us support levels, resistances, and the key parameters for our decisions, right? And also we need to understand what's the trend. Trend is likely down still, but we might see a short-term bounce within that downtrend. And the explanation for that would be because this Z wave to the downside is considered an A, B, C structure, and I'm looking at this as a B wave bounce. Okay, why is it a B wave bounce? Because, well, first of all, the market hasn't given me any reason to believe it's something more bullish. Even though possible, we have to focus on probabilities. Okay, what's probable? Not everything's possible, not everything's probable. And after a 3-wave rally that we had here, you would normally expect another 3-wave rally, right? 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 3 waves up. That's normally how it does work. The initial rally, and people got very excited about this move here into the Friday high, Friday the 13th, highlighted, okay, it's likely just a corrective rally. So I see it as an A wave, which is again an ABC structure in itself. We're now watching for a B wave pullback, again an ABC structure. And then from here we could see a C wave rally to the upside in 5 waves. A, B, C in wave B in white. This is sort of what I'm tracking at the moment. And at the moment my idea is that we could still be in this B wave pullback. Support, as I said, between 37.4 and 41 cents. And once we see a first impulsive reaction, it could mark the beginning of wave C. So if the next rally is impulsive again, don't be surprised. It could be wave C, because C waves can be an impulse. There's plenty of space, even in this white scenario, for the price to move higher, with resistance at 47 cents, 51.3, 55.9, and 63.2. It depends really on where this B wave bottoms, where we would expect the C wave to go to. Very often, the 100% extension is a key target, but I have no low in play. So let's assume the price moved up from here, which it can do. Then 50 cents is that 100% extension. But it looks a little bit as if that B wave that we're tracking, that B wave pullback at the moment, might extend a little more. And I just put my best guess on the chart here as an ABC microstructure. So A, B, C, because B waves are 3-wave movements. See, it could bottom here, yeah, but I'm just labeling what would look good in terms of proportions. That's not so much a prediction, it just tells you, you know, this is how it would look best, really. But support levels are clear. That's the update about Polygon. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.